Welcome to Dev Vaani, your favorite place to learn and grow in web development. I'm super excited about today's tutorial because we'll be making our web pages interactive using JavaScript. Let's dive in and see the magic happen. I've already prepared the HTML and CSS code for this demonstration. We have 2 buttons on the page, and we're going to perform some cool events on them to make things interactive. Let me quickly show you the code setup. Here, we've assigned a class and ID to the buttons for easy reference in JavaScript. Although we have a JavaScript file included, we won't need it for now. Don't worry, you can always choose to work there, but for today's explanation, everything will happen directly in the console. Now let's see the output in the browser. I'll open the Inspect menu, and here's where we'll explore how the magic works. Let's switch over to the Console tab to start scripting. First, we'll create a constant variable for the first button. Let's call it button1 and use its ID to link it in our script. Awesome. Now do the same for button 2. Easy and simple. To keep things clean, let's clear the console. Next, we'll add an event listener to button 1. The event type is click, and the function will change the background color when triggered. Go ahead and click the button. Boom, the background color changes. So cool, right? Now, let's do the same for button 2. Try it out, and you'll see it works perfectly. Let's take this up a notch with hover effects. For hover, JavaScript doesn't have a direct hover event. Instead, we'll use the mouseover event to trigger changes when the cursor is on the button. And to revert the changes, we'll use the mouseout event. Combine both events with appropriate functions, and check it out. The effects look amazing. But here's something to keep in mind. When you use mouseover and mouseout, the click event on the same button might not work as expected. Don't worry, we'll tackle this challenge and understand it fully in another video. If you're curious about more event types, I've added a helpful link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching and being part of Dev Vaani. I hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next video.